Good afternoon, all of you. I'm Dr. R.N. Behera, Senior Technical Director in NIC, Bhubaneswar. So this is eSakhyam. This is for the Office of State Commission for Persons with Disability web portal. Basically, we have developed a web portal for persons with disability. Now, much has been done about website, portal, or technology has done a lot of things. Now, this is time for standardization, one part. Second is accessibility. Any website we are developing, a particular group should not be debarred of accessing this. So it should be accessible to persons with disabilities, visually challenged, physically challenged, other deformation type of people, those who can access this portal. And in addition, you have developed a case management system through which the PWD persons with disability, they can online file their case to Odisha State Disability Commission, and a workflow will take place. At the end, judgment will be hearing and judgment will be given, and it will be uploaded to the portal. The judgment will be available online. And regarding this disability certificate, it is given by the medical officers. So most of the cases there is a dispute between the disability certificate produced. Sometimes 40% they are putting into 70% like this. So these medical officers, they will upload the disability certificate online to this portal so that the Disability Commission can cross-check and cross-verify the authenticity of this certificate. This is all about, this is inaugurated the website address scpdodisha.nic.in. This is one-stop authentic and standardized information center on the various activities taken up by the State Commissioner, along with schemes, projects, acts, rules and documents, online case management system and a disability certificate repository. So we have a repository for the disability certificate and online case management system is there. A website technology efficient, citizen-centric and with accessibility feature so as to make it usable by persons with disabilities. A website is accessible to persons with disability if it is accessible to persons with a diverse range of hearing, movement, sight and cognitive ability. State Commission for Persons with Disability portal follows the principle of universal accessibility based essentially on the idea of creating an obstacle-free environment. The basic idea is to create an obstacle-free environment. So these are the various assistive technology, magnifier, screen reader, text resizer, then contrast adjuster. Then we are following Government of India web guidelines and also web content accessibility guidelines and cyber security guidelines. Auditing has been done. This is the front page where it is there, the text magnifier is there, so that elderly people, those who are low vision, they can, through text magnifier, they can see the larger font size. And also various, there are the three colors blindness, black, blue and different colors, three color blindness people. Suppose I am not accessible to blue color. So the alternate color he can choose and get it. So color blindness people also can access this. And also all the features of the accessibility features, means skip to main content is there. So when a blind person or visually challenged persons access the portal through JAWS software, means he hears it, he cannot see it. So once he hears it, he will hear gradually the different key strokes are there. Otherwise only through this tab key also, he will put tab key. Sequentially the workflow, the cursor movement will flow so that it will read. The portal will be read by the blind person so that he can hear the entire portal, and wherever he wants he can access the portal and file online his case in grievance. Suppose he is not getting any justice, somebody is harassed, PWD has been harassed, so he can file a case. He is need not required to come long distance from any remote corner of the state to the state capital to launch this file a case. He can online, getting an internet point, he or she can access and put forth his case here, and it will land at State Commissioner for Persons with Disability, State Commissioner. A State Commissioner forwarded to different sections, the register and other sections where it really the workflow takes place. Then after this, the final judgment is published in the portal. These are the content management is there, one CMS is developed, Then user management and other security features are there. This is 24/7 information repository, one-stop source of all information, comprehensive and authentic content updated regularly by SCPD Odisha, citizen-oriented, user-centered, designed as per government guidelines, and distributed content management. So complaint by different level, this is the flow, different level person or PWD. Document verification is then done. The online document verification by the State Commission is done. After verification, a case lodged into case ledger. A letter is sent to disable confirming about his registration. So a confirmation letter, a code number is generated. It goes to a SMS alert goes, and also by post it is gone. Then legal assistant also files cognitions to opposite party. The opposite party, suppose I am a PWD, I am harassed by the opposite party. So legal notice is given to the opposite party for appearance for this case. This is the entire workflow. This is the case management. This is the intra-base. That is the citizen portal. This is intra-base means we have given user ID password to different officers of this PWD as SCPD, and they can access and workflow takes place. This is various file a complaint, complaint movement, draft movement list, notice to respondent list, case ledger list, all the features there. Then CMS management system is also there. These are the screenshots of how they enter. The complaint received by even if online or via email or physically also one can receive, that can be entered by the State Commission. This is one complaint report. This is disability certificate by medical officers. Disability certificate issued by medical board of the district CMO or CDMO. So this is one certificate. Dr. Bharat Paningra, his name is, his point is he can access. Then the medical officer can upload the certificate through the system. So that when the hearing is done, they can online, they can check. The State Commission can online check that this is authentic or fraud. So these are the various features and tools available. This is the one more screenshot, and accessibility features or commands are there. This is all about, it is developed in CMS Drupal 7.0, database is PostgreSQL 9.0, scripting on PHP, JavaScript and jQuery. This is all about this. Thank you. Any question, please?
Hi. Can you tell us how many cases have been registered or resolved on the system?
There are around, this was recently launched, around 400 cases has been registered. Yeah.
In how much time?
I think 4 month time. Recently, 4-5 months. Yeah.
I have a question.
Sure.
And they were resolved as well. They were just registered. Do you have follow-up examples?
Yeah, follow-up is not done. I am from an NIC. We are the developer of the system. They are following up. The State Commission, they have a composition. They follow up the system, and also our district collectors or district magistrate, they are declared as a deputy commissioners. So any action at the deputy commissioner level also, they are forwarding and taking action. Yes.
This portion of this sending an alert back.
Yeah.
For a visually impaired person.
Yeah.
And mobile, how he will know? If visually
yeah, mobile also there, it is accessible to, it is actually physical you are sending. In addition, mobile is an additional point.
I was only wondering that when he is.
But they are now,
the website is fine.
They are operating mobile. They are operating mobile.
Okay.
They may take the help of some other activities also. And they are operating mobile.
You got my point, na?
Yes, I got.
There is always a challenge.
Very tedious for this and very big challenge for them. But somewhere technology they can pick up and go, and or they can take the help of some, they can take assistance from someone for reading this. But physically it goes.
Any more questions?
Any more question? Okay, thank you very much.